Driving on snowy roads in your Ford can feel like walking a tightrope. One wrong move, and things can get dangerous fast. We've all been there, sliding just a little too much on that icy patch, heart racing. That's why having the right traction is so important when winter hits hard. But finding snow chains that actually fit your Ford and hold up under pressure, that can be a challenge. If you've been struggling to choose the right ones, don't worry, you're in the right place. I've found 5 solid options that could make a big difference this winter. Check out the link in the description for more details on each one. Let's jump right in. At number 5, we've got the YJXSD Car snow tire chains, designed specifically for Ford F-150 models from 2015 to 2024. Now, here's what stands out immediately. These chains are made from durable, high-quality materials that are built to last. And when you're driving in rough, icy conditions, that kind of reliability matters. They're reusable, and they give you serious grip on slick roads. Whether it's fresh snow or stubborn ice, you'll feel that extra control the moment you hit the road. And here's the part I really appreciate. Installing them is refreshingly simple. No jack, no tools. Just wrap them around your tires, tighten the straps, and you're set. Even if you're not super handy, you can get them on in just a few minutes. What's even more impressive is their versatility. These chains aren't just for snow. They can also work as traction ropes, survival ropes, even wrapping ropes in emergencies. So they're not just helping you in the moment, they're a smart addition to your emergency kit overall. Thanks to the adjustable design, they fit your F-150 tires securely, giving you the grip you need to stay in control, even during sharp turns or sudden stops. And yes, that means fewer close calls and a lot more peace of mind when the roads get unpredictable. Once the storm passes, removing them is just as hassle-free. Unfasten, store them in your truck, and they're ready for the next winter surprise. Coming in at number 4, we've got the QLHTD anti-skid car tire snow chains, and these are built with power in mind. If you're driving a heavier Ford truck like the F-250, F-350, F-450, or F-550 from 2017 to 2024, this 10-piece set might be just what you've been looking for. Let's be honest, handling a heavy-duty truck in winter conditions can be stressful. You need traction you can trust, and this set delivers exactly that. The nail-cleated design creates serious grip on icy and slippery roads, giving you better control right when things start to feel uncertain. What makes them so effective? It's the way they create multiple contact points between your tires and the ground, giving you that extra friction when every bit of it counts. Here's something cool. These chains are built to handle extreme temperatures, from -20 all the way up to 40 degrees Celsius. That means they're not just for snow, mud, heavy rain, even sandy or rocky terrain. These chains still show up and perform. Versatility like that is a huge bonus, especially for those who drive through a mix of conditions. And the setup? It's refreshingly simple. No lifting your truck, no tire removal. Just secure them right over your tires using the easy fastening system. Once the road clears up, unfasten the clasp, and you're good to go. They're not just useful for traction either. These chains pull double duty, perfect for emergency situations, survival gear, or even securing loads when needed. It's that kind of multifunctionality that really makes them a smart backup to keep in your truck. Coming in at number 3, let's take a look at the QWHJSP car snow chains. A great pick for Ford F-250, F-350, F-450, and F-550 owners driving models from 2017 to 2024. If you've ever been nervous about traditional metal chains damaging your tires, you'll definitely want to hear about this one. These chains use nylon injection molding instead of metal, and that choice makes a real difference. You're getting a combo of high strength and flexibility, which means dependable traction without beating up your tires. And if you've dealt with rusting chains in the past, this will feel like a breath of fresh air. The nylon construction resists corrosion, handles freezing temps like a champ, and holds up over time, even in brutal winter conditions. Installation? It's a bit different, but still totally manageable. You thread the chain from the inside of the tire out, then lock it in place using the fixing hole. That setup creates a solid, stable grip that doesn't shift while you're driving, which, let's be honest, is exactly what you want when things get slick. And if you're just keeping them around for emergencies, you can even trim off the extra length for easier storage. Handy, right? Now here's where they really stand out. These aren't just for snow. They hold their own in mud, on steep inclines, icy roads, basically anywhere your tires might lose grip. That kind of versatility adds a lot of value, especially if you find yourself off-road or in unpredictable terrain. What I really appreciate is how these chains strike a balance between traction and tire protection. Some metal chains can be hard on your sidewalls over time, but the nylon material helps avoid that issue. So if you're driving a heavy-duty Ford truck and want solid winter support without risking tire damage, this is a practical and smart solution. Have you ever used nylon-style chains before? I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. Let's help each other stay safe out there. At number 2, let's talk about the BSFZ 6-piece car snow chains, designed to fit the Ford Focus 5-door hatchback and Focus Combi models. If you've ever tried putting on snow chains in freezing weather with low light and cold fingers, you know how frustrating it can be. That's why the bright yellow design on these stands out. It's not just a pop of color, it actually helps you see what you're doing when visibility drops. And that's a small detail that makes a big difference. Now let's talk materials. These are made from TPU, a strong, flexible material that offers solid traction while being much kinder to your tires than metal alternatives. No scraping rims, no scuffing sidewalls, just a firm grip that keeps you moving forward. What's great is how versatile they are. They fit tire sizes ranging from 165 to 265, which means whether your Focus has smaller city wheels or slightly larger ones, you're likely covered. Safety-wise, the anti-skid design really steps up. These chains increase your tire's contact with the road, adding extra friction points that help you stay in control, even when you're accelerating or braking on snow and ice. That's the kind of peace of mind you want in unpredictable winter weather. Installation is super practical too. With the adjustable tension straps, you don't need to jack up your car or take off your tires. Just wrap them around, tighten them down, and you're ready to go. It's the kind of setup that's perfect for those sudden weather changes, when you're already out and conditions start to shift. Taking the top spot on our list, the XHPUA car snow chains, designed specifically for Ford F-150 models from 2015 through 2024. And let me tell you, these things mean business when it comes to winter traction. What really makes them stand out is the multi-layer teeth design. These aren't your basic chains. They create multiple contact points that actually bite into the ice and snow. So instead of just sliding over the surface, your F-150 gets real grip, whether you're trying to get moving on an icy driveway or stop safely on a snow-covered road. And if you're looking for upgrades, the 2024 version delivers. The improvements in durability and grip are noticeable. It's been engineered to give you maximum traction without turning installation into a chore, which, let's be honest, is a lifesaver when the weather's turning sideways and you need to act fast. Now, here's where it gets interesting. That layered tooth design, it actively breaks through ice instead of just skimming the top. That gives you better launch power when starting up and more confident braking when it matters most. Plus, the sleek black finish blends in nicely with your tires. No bulky, obvious chains ruining your truck's look. Installation is quick and hassle-free. You won't need to move your truck or remove the tires. Just wrap, tighten, and go. The adjustable tension system keeps everything locked in place, and the urethane build hits that sweet spot between toughness and tire protection. A quick heads up, while these are excellent for emergency traction, they're not built for long distance or high-speed use. You'll want to keep your speed down while they're on and take them off once you're back on dry roads. And like all snow chains, they will show wear over time, especially in extreme conditions. So, if you're driving a Ford F-150 and want serious performance when the road gets sketchy, these chains deliver exactly what you need. That wraps up our list of the top 5 snow chains to help you conquer winter with confidence. Make sure you pick the set that's right for your specific Ford model for the best fit and performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical vehicle gear reviews.